This is my tutorial on how to use Google Calendar. So the first thing you want to be mindful of is you have to be signed in to your Google account that you're going to be signed into on your desktop, on your laptop, and your iPhone. Being signed into your account gives you the ability to have notifications. So you click on Google Calendar, and here you have a week layout for your Google Calendar. So this is from Sunday to Saturday. It's a one full week. You have the ability to add events, tasks, or appointments by hitting create on the top left. So I'll show you how to create an event. You can add a title. So we'll say math class, and you can put what time this event is. You can add a location. You can add a description. And here is the ability to notify. So you can put if it's a busy time for you or free time for you. You can put its visibility of the event to public or private, and you can choose when you want to be notified for this event, task, or appointment. So I'll show you what an event looks like. So this is math class. I'll change it to red for math. And here's math class on Friday at 3 to 4. I'll show you how to add a task now. So this could be a homework or something. Homework or anything that you want to get done within a given day. I'll say homework. And you can add a deadline. So I'll say this is due on Monday. And I'll put it to all day. So having the task at all day just puts it in the top on your day so you can see if you've done it or not. Or you could set a time for your task. So I'll set the time for earlier in the day. 1:45 to 2:45 is my homework slot. So that's giving me a time when I can complete my homework. And then it also has, because it's a task, you have the ability to check the box off. So I'll check it off for completed, or I'll leave it open, or I'll mark as incomplete so I know that I have to do the task. Okay, and lastly but not least is appointment schedule. You can schedule an appointment. So I could say, I'll say studying appointment for 2 hours. And I'll say Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. I'm studying. And then you can add location, and you can also add Google Meets to your appointments, but I'm not going to do that. But this is my appointment for studying. So we have event. My event is math class. Tasks. My task is homework. And appointment. My appointment is studying. And then also, you can have a more zoom. You can change your view of the calendar. So you can change it to a day. So this is my Friday daily schedule. You can change it to a week, which was what I was in before. You can also change it to a month. So this month has homeworks and then anything that is due on a given month. And then you have a yearly schedule, which is very cool. You could put like vacations or things of that nature. You can have a 4-day schedule instead of 1 week. And you can show completed tasks, and you can show uncompleted tasks, which is something very cool. You can look at just your tasks for a day. So there's a lot of different things that you can do within Google Calendar, and it's important to have it on your laptop, desktop, and iPhone, as well as have notifications enabled.